Hello everyone, and welcome back to TechBlock. Today we are back with another video. We have the AirPods 2 right here. Just been released and just got delivered this morning. We're going to be unboxing them and taking a look at them, comparing them to the previous model. Are they any better? Should you buy them if you have AirPods already, or should you buy them at all? The one I picked up is the one with the wireless charging case. They retail, well, at least the one with the wireless charging case retails for $199. You can get AirPods or AirPods 2 without the wireless charging case for $159, and apparently you can probably upgrade to the wireless charging case by just buying the wireless charging case itself, which I think is like $79, something like that. So that's the thing. But the AirPods 2 aren't really that big of an upgrade over, the original AirPods that I have here. Like, there's not too many changes. You get Hey Siri activation, just like always on, so you can just say like, Hey Siri, do that, do that. It's so good, and she's currently listening to me now on my phone. But yeah, Hey Siri is now like activated all the time on these AirPods, which is a nice feature. You don't have to double tap your ear anymore to activate Siri, so that kind of frees up one action, I suppose, that you can do on these AirPods, which is nice. But unfortunately, one feature I was kind of really looking forward to and hoping that they'd actually implement into the second generation AirPods is volume control, like on the actual AirPods, so you could just swipe up or something or swipe down to increase or decrease the volume. I think that would be very nice and many people would use that, but unfortunately that's not the case with this release. This is kind of more like AirPods 1.5 or like AirPods 1S. It's not quite like that big of an improvement, it's just slightly better. And I kind of doubt Apple are going to release AirPods Gen 3 anytime soon. We'll probably have to wait another year or so. There are some rumors that they might release them in September time, I guess, but I kind of doubt they will. But we may see AirPower then. I don't know. You never know. That'll be cool. An AirPower charging mat for the AirPods, for your phone, for your Apple Watch if you have one. I don't have one. But yeah. With all that said, let's hop into this package, let's unbox it, take a look at these guys, and see if they're any better than the first gen AirPods. Alright, so we have the box right here. Let's unsheath the old karambit knife, as always. I think this has already been cut, so no need to cut anything, I guess. But here they are. They got delivered by DPD this morning. Let's just cut her open. There we go. Just do a cut in there as well. I'll just peel it out. Right, cool. Here they are. The packaging looks, I'd say, identical to the other one, and the AirPod case itself looks nearly identical as well. But yeah, it says AirPods with wireless charging case right there. You can get your name engraved on the case as well. I unfortunately didn't do that though, because I kind of messed up when ordering these. I didn't know that you could get it engraved. So yeah. You can get your name engraved on the AirPod case if you want to, but I didn't do that by accident. So I didn't know that was a thing when ordering it. But anyway, here it is. Let's cut this outer packaging out as well and take them out. There we go. All good. Let's open it up. Designed by Apple in California. Yep. Ooh, here they are. Packaging is, nearly identical to the first gen. You can get a lightning cable as well. It's a crappy quality lightning cable. I'm going to probably not use this and just use an Anchor one instead. That's much more durable, as this one here will probably break relatively soon. But here are the AirPods. Let's unpackage them. Ooh, how do you do this? To peel this part. Ooh, they're shiny. Now, here's the new AirPods. Here's my old AirPods. This one definitely looks newer. My old AirPod case is definitely quite beat up. I've owned these since I think November of 2017, so they've been through a lot. But they still work. There's nothing wrong with them. Everything's still good. They need a bit of cleaning, to be honest, but that's kind of what happens when you have your AirPods for a while. But this one here looks much nicer, and in terms of weight, they feel relatively the same. I'd say this one's probably a bit heavier than the original AirPods 1. But yeah, we have the wireless charging case. Instead of there being the LED lights inside of the case, it's now on the front. So if we open this up, there's an LED on the front there. It's currently probably wanting to pair up with a phone. So there we go. Unlock to connect. Oh, there we go. Yep. And we're done. Right, cool. So that was it. That was easy. M's AirPods #2, my second pair. But if we press this button here, we can see the battery percentage of the AirPods and the battery percentage of the case as well. So that's all cool. And then of course, if you open up the case, that'll pop up on your phone as well. You close it, they go away, you open it again, they pop up. So it all works very well. It's all cool. And ooh, they're currently orange, so that probably means like, you know, they're being charged up. That's what I'd have to guess. That's cool. I do kind of like this new updated look of them. They do look brand new. They really do. All right, so without further ado, I guess let's take them out and pop them in my ear. They just connect, right? They've connected right away. Awesome. Let's hop into Spotify. Right, I'm gonna max the volume out. I want to see if there's like a difference at all going from first gen to these new AirPods, dude. Right, loaded. Little Lucy that. Okay, so just listen to a bit of Lil Uzi Vert song on the new AirPods. I'm gonna put my old ones in now and see if there's any difference in terms of like sound quality. So there we go. Got first gen AirPods in. Okay. So I'm gonna put the new ones in again. Ooh. Oh, this is a close one. I do feel like the new ones sound better, like there's more bass, they feel a bit louder, but that might just be like, you know, like a placebo, I guess. Right, I'll put the old ones in again. Yeah, like, I feel like there is a difference in terms of sound quality, and that might just be because, like, these AirPods are, you know, they're quite old now. I've owned them since November of 2017, so they're definitely aged quite a bit. So that might be why these new ones sound like better, but not by much. Not by much. Right. Interesting. Very interesting. So, in terms of sound quality, they sound maybe a little bit better. It is genuinely pretty hard to say whether these new ones sound better than you know, AirPods Gen 1. So I don't know. One thing I do want to test out though is whether these new wireless charging AirPods work with my Razer wireless charger here. So let's pop them on here. Will they charge? Oh my god, it actually does. So it's all working good. We have the Razer wireless charger here. We can of course also set it up to be like upwards or upright. So you can put the charger up like this. Will that align with the AirPods and charge them though? That'll be funny. I don't think it's quite aligned the coils up. So I can't really do that. But if you pop them in the middle there, that'll go green. It's charging, it's so good. The AirPod case also like turns orange to let you know like, yo, you know, we charging up now, it's so good. You don't have to open up the case to check whether it's charging or not. So that's good that they moved the LED to the actual outside of the case, which is nice. I've connected to the AirPods while they're inside the case, while they're charging now. And I can hear the music in there. Hey Siri, what's the battery percentage on my AirPods?
Your AirPod case is at 73, Emilis's AirPods number 2 at 80, and Emilis's AirPods number 2 is at 90%.
So you can ask Siri for the battery percentage of your case and of your AirPods, which is good. I'm going to pop them in and actually try the whole Hey Siri thing and see if that works. So let's pause a little easy, but Hey Siri. Oh my god. What the hell? Right, that was weird. I said Hey Siri and it popped up as uh-huh. What the hell? Hey Siri? Alright, so whenever you ask for Siri, it pops up as uh-huh in your AirPods, which is quite interesting. But it lets you know that, you know, it's listening in case, you know, your phone's, you know, like out of sight. So that's cool. It works. Hey Siri, play music. Hey Siri, stop. Hey Siri. Oh, okay, that actually worked. So the music was blasting there. I couldn't even hear myself. I said, Hey Siri, stop, and it did. All right, so Hey Siri works well. Happy with that. Happy with the wireless charging case. Bit expensive, but you know, it's Apple. It is what it is. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this video, everyone. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to go check out AirPods 2 or even the first gen AirPods for that matter, I'll leave all their links down below in the description on where you can buy these guys. If you have an iPhone, I'd highly recommend you pick up AirPods for them. They're a wonderful product. You're gonna love them, trust me. However, if you have AirPods first gen, there's probably not much point upgrading to these AirPods 2. There's hardly any difference. So unless you're gonna really benefit from the whole Hey Siri always on thing, there's probably not much point in upgrading. Probably wait till 3rd gen AirPods come out. That'll hopefully have some more improvements than just this. But yeah, apart from that, everyone, thank you all so much for watching once again, and I hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.